Welcome to the Review Center. Leanbiome is a weight loss solution that helps people enhance their gut health so they can get rid of anything that's preventing them from having a healthy metabolism and appetite. The treatment comes in the form of a capsule, and consumers only need to take one every day to get the effects. What exactly is a Leanbiome? Losing weight is difficult enough without having to combat one's own body. After all, these efforts necessitate a significant amount of effort, and changing one's regular eating patterns is no simple undertaking. Despite all of these excellent efforts, many consumers are unaware that they need to reset their gut and other parts of their bodies to see results. Consumers can get rid of whatever is holding them back with Leanbiome. Check the link in the description for a discount. It's no secret that the gut plays an important role in everyone's health, which is why probiotic supplements like Leanbiome have become so popular. This formula contains a variety of prebiotics and probiotics, which aid in the creation of an optimal environment for nutrient absorption. If regular nutrients from foods aren't absorbed, there's little chance for any of the nutritious items that people incorporate into their diet. Leanbiome gets people on the correct track to losing weight. The fact that each of the capsules provides a delayed release of nutrients is one of the reasons why this medication continues to strengthen the gut. Instead of bombarding the body with germs it has never encountered before, it gradually distributes bacteria into the gut for optimal benefits. Keep the Lean for Good supplement in a cool, dark place that doesn't become hotter than 86 degrees Fahrenheit to keep it fresh. How does Leanbiome work? Leanbiome is a breakthrough solution that helps you lose weight naturally by assisting you in shedding pounds of fat from your body. Increased food cravings and fat storage in your body cause you to acquire too much weight and become obese. The natural components in the Leanbiome pills help you lose weight quickly and sustainably, while also keeping you healthy by reducing cravings. The Leanbiome supplements recipe helps you lower cholesterol levels in your body and keeps you active by preventing cardiac problems. Leanbiome aids in the improvement of your metabolism, digestion, and sleep. Leanbiome pills help to lower blood sugar levels in obese people, as well as stress, despair, and overall well-being. Leanbiome pills are suitable for diabetics and are completely safe to take. Users of Leanbiome tablets see a significant difference in their bodies, giving them confidence that they have returned their happiness without gaining weight. The Leanbiome supplement aids in the safe and natural management of obesity and blood sugar levels. When you take the Leanbiome supplement regularly, you'll notice that your body begins to lose weight and function properly. What can you find in Leanbiome? Leanbiome contains a natural list of nutrients that have been shown to aid weight loss. It's non-GMO, gluten-free, and completely safe to eat. Lactobacillus gasseri helps people lose weight and keeps them from becoming obese. It aids in the loss of abdominal fat in a few weeks. When compared to any other weight reduction tablet, Lactobacillus rhamnosus eliminates an average of 9.7 pounds of fat in 12 weeks. Lactobacillus fermentum aids in the reduction of undesirable body fat in just 43 days. Green Select Phytosome is administered in a ratio of 300 mg and aids in weight loss of 30 pounds in just 12 weeks. Inulin, a chicory root extract, was added in a ratio of 200 mg. It aids in the treatment of diabetes and promotes digestion. Advantages of Leanbiome. The most important advantage of using the Leanbiome supplement is that it helps you lose a lot of weight. People can see significant changes in their waistlines and abdomens, which gives you confidence that you have returned your happiness. Leanbiome lowers blood sugar levels and alleviates fatigue in diabetic individuals. Leanbiome lowers your cholesterol levels and protects you from heart disease. A risk-free 180-day purchase protects your investment and allows you to take advantage of special offers. It makes you small, fit, and appealing, giving you confidence in your ability to reclaim your healthy physique. Disadvantages of Leanbiome. Women who are pregnant or nursing should get medical advice before taking the Leanbiome supplement. Do not exceed the recommended dosage. To avoid scam purchases, Leanbiome is only accessible through the official website and is not available in any other retail stores. Leanbiome pricing. Leanbiome capsules are inexpensive and well worth the cost if you want to lose weight quickly. Each bottle contains a month's worth of Leanbiome. The Leanbiome official website is the only place where people can get free shipping and other discounts. To avoid scam purchases, Leanbiome may not be available on Amazon or Walmart. The cost of a month's supply is $79.95 for each bottle, including shipping. A 3-month supply costs $59.95 for each bottle with free shipping. The cost of a 6-month supply is $49.95 for each bottle, plus shipping. The final word: Leanbiome is a supplement made entirely of natural substances that may help you lose belly fat, lower blood sugar levels, ease stress and anxiety, and address other health issues. A 180-day money-back guarantee protects your investment and gives you the confidence to make a legitimate purchase. Thousands of people have bought Leanbiome supplements and haven't had any negative side effects yet. There will be no more sagging weight, fat pounds, or risk. Leanbiome keeps you thin, fit, and joyful while also protecting your overall health. Check the link in the description for a discount.